making sure your soul's alright. Money didn't matter yesterday, and it sure don't matter tonight. Money don't matter tonight, it sure didn't matter yesterday. Just when you think you got more than enough, that's when it